Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, the name of the channel has actually changed. The name of the channel is actually Crack Media instead of just my name, Christopher Watson. So every once in a while, you're actually gonna probably hear me say, hey, this is your guy, Christopher Watson, or anything like that. So anyway, this is gonna be a quick, short video. Today, you're gonna see me actually install some different hoses, mainly heater hoses. These hoses that I bought, the black hoses that you're gonna see in this video, will be actually purchased from Pep Boys, the most unlikely place I ever thought to look for hoses. So the heater hose for the Toyota MR2, the 3S GTE, are actually they're actually about 18 to 19 millimeter hoses. So I had to get something close to that. I'll actually put the measurement of each hose or the diameter, the size of each hose in the video. So anyway, and guys, if y'all have any comments or suggestions or questions, as always, drop a comment down below. I do answer all the comments and questions that y'all leave. So anyway, let's get into the installation of the hoses. Okay guys, we just got through installing the heater hoses, and man, they are a booger to install. I'm pretty sure I almost cut my fingers off a few times. As you can tell, I put some gloves on a few times because I didn't want to cut my fingers off. But anyway, and there was a couple of places that I kind of forgot to put on whenever I had the engine out of the car, so that was even harder. But anyway, again, I just got the hoses from Pep Boys, kind of did like eyeball measurement, cut, put some worm clamps on most of them, and we should be good to go. Whenever I'm getting ready to start the engine, hopefully there won't be any leaks anywhere because it's gonna suck. But the other good thing about installing this stuff myself is I'll know where they are. So anyway, again, I know I probably said in the first part of this video or film that you can leave comments and things like that. If you are watching this and the lighting looked a little off while I was installing some of the hoses, sorry about that. I couldn't really help anything about it. So I'll try to do my best maybe to edit, lighten the video up. But either way, it's pretty straightforward where the hoses go, but they're hard to reach, the hoses. I mean, like, they're hard to reach, and if you have small hands, it may be easier, but I have massive hands. Thank y'all for checking the video out. In the next video, I think I should be getting the charcoal canister installed and some other little knickknacks installed as well. We're getting this much closer to the engine build, or the MR2 build being like running or runnable, if that's a word. As always, subscribe, drop a like, comment, and as one of my subscribers, Carlin, said, gave me a suggestion. He's like, stick to the original plan. If you stick to the original plan, more than likely you're gonna be satisfied. Oh, and I want to thank Boo Fighter for pointing me out in one of his videos. It was pretty funny. I actually did like a best 4-cylinder engine, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines, and I didn't include the 5S FE. So thanks, Boo Fighter, for pointing me out. Sorry, but hey, that's just real life. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Peace out.